Hey y'all, I am fixing to take a walk down memory lane today with this next recipe. I know when you see these Aunt Peggy that you're going to probably remember them because when I got so tired, Aunt Peggy would come over and help me. And Bubbles, my best friend, gave me this recipe, and they're things that you would serve at a cocktail party, something like that, because they're done in a miniature pan. So they're not like, making a sandwich out of that little biscuit, but you could. But when Bubbles told me about this, gosh, it was in 1989. The year that I started the Bag Lady. And so I loved them. So she made them and I tasted one and I loved them so much. I started making them. And if I had, say, like a chicken salad on lettuce, I would stick one of those little sour cream biscuits in there, just to have a bite along with their chicken salad. So this goes back to 1989. Great. Oh my gosh, I would call her and say, Aunt Peggy, as bad as I want to do this so bad, I don't think I can. I don't think I can hold up another day. And you know what she would say? Well, you damn well can. And I'll be over there tomorrow. And she would come in and stay. Sometimes she'd stay 2 weeks. But she got in there in that kitchen and she helped me produce and held me up. And I'm so grateful for that because I was tired a lot of the times. But so anyway, the sour cream biscuits, here we go. It's 2 cups of self-rising flour. Now you're talking about simple and easy. 2 sticks of room temperature butter. Now I'm just going to try to cut that in. I might need a cutter inner.
That's there. Right there.
Oh, there it is. All right, so you really want to make sure that your butter is at room temperature. This is still a little hard, but not hard, but not totally at room temperature on the inside. So I'm just going to make sure I get this in there good. And then we're going to add 1 cup of sour cream. And that's it. Okay, so I'm now going to add the sour cream.
Go.
And it's a solid cup, 8 ounces of sour cream. Now, I'm spraying these real good because even though they got a lot of butter in them, I don't want to take the chance on them sticking. All right, and I'm going to spray this too so it won't stick to that. There we go. And you want to try to get this, do them all the same size. So they'll all cook, evenly. Yeah, that looks about right. Okie doke, we got them. Now this recipe normally makes about 3 dozen, y'all. But between Teresa and I, we made ours a little bit bigger. So we only got 2 dozen. But they're going in the oven at 400 degrees for about 8 to 10 to 12 minutes, depending on your oven. Ooh, so good. Does that look familiar yet? Great. Mm-hmm. She said, yes. Look at our biscuits. Our sour cream biscuits. They're so easy to make. Y'all just make sure, I can't tell you how important it is that your butter be at room temperature. Aunt Peggy, do you recognize this? Do you remember the little clear plastic containers we used? And I put the lettuce and the chicken salad.
Yes.
And then I would stick one of these in.
That's charming.
It is charming, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
And people loved them. Mm.
I don't know how to eat, Danny. I don't either.
I don't either. In fact, that reminds me of a story when I was on that cooking channel. They sent a notice to Gordon, my producer. Please tell Paula to take Princess Bites, that she is putting too much in her mouth. And I said, well, I appreciate the constructive criticism, but y'all know where y'all can go. Because this is the way I eat. These are heavenly. Thank you, my bubbles, for
And what did you call this?
sour cream biscuits. So, Bubbles, you keep on going to those functions and bring home to Mama some more good recipes. I love y'all. Loving Best Dishes.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.